China is reportedly planning to turn hundreds of Cold War-era fighter jets into suicide drones that can be used for large-scale attacks on Taiwan. China's last Chengdu J-7 fighter jets may leave active service this year and some may be converted into drones, according to state media. Experts believe the weapon will be relatively cost-effective and reliable, said the Business Insider report. The drones will have characteristics similar to real planes and reduce the number of victims of Chinese citizens. Daniel Rice, non-resident researcher at the Mitchell Institute, said unmanned combat vehicles or drones would allow China to use relatively inexpensive, reliable and low-risk airframes as a first asset to attack or soften Taiwan's air defense systems. The planes were copies of Soviet MiG-21s from the 1960s, sometimes known as Grandpa jets. Although the Chinese version of the aircraft came with several manufacturing defects including limited fuel capacity and only one weapon, they were still mass-produced in the 1980s and used in other countries such as Pakistan, Albania, Egypt, Iraq, and Iran. The state-sponsored China Global Times newspaper said, retired J-7s can be ordered for training and testing, or they can be modified into drones and play a new role in modern warfare. But in 2021, older J-7s were flown alongside more modern J-6s in exercises near Taiwan, leading to speculation they had been converted into drones. It comes as China expands its military amid heightened tensions in the region after the U.S. shot down a 200-foot spy balloon that was caught flying over Montana. According to the Pentagon, China now has the third largest aviation force in the world and has nearly 400 J-7s in service.